Leo is 7 years old. Today, Daniel wants to take Leo to the salon for a haircut. But Leo is very scared of barbers, scissors and hair clippers. Will Daniel convince Leo? Let's watch the story. Question 1 for viewers. Are you scared of haircuts or barbers? Question 2 for viewers. Which haircut do you like the most? Fade haircut, crew cut or side part hairstyle?
Leo,
Yes, Dad?
come here for a minute.
Okay.
Look at your hair.
What about it?
It is too long now.
No, Dad. I like it.
Your hair is covering your eyes.
That is okay.
No, it is not okay. Today we are going to the salon.
What?
You need a haircut.
No!
Leo,
Dad, please no haircut today.
why are you scared?
I do not like barbers.
Why?
The scissors are scary,
The barber will not hurt you.
and the machine makes a scary sound.
You mean the hair clippers?
Yes. Bzzz. I hate that sound.
Leo, you are 7 years old now.
I know, but I still don't like haircuts.
Come on, Leo. You will look very handsome after the haircut.
I already look handsome.
Yes, you do. But your hair is very messy.
Can Mom cut my hair instead?
Last time Mom cut your hair, you cried.
Because it looked funny.
Exactly. A barber knows how to cut hair properly.
What if the barber cuts too much hair?
Then we will ask for a small trim.
What is a trim?
A trim means cutting only a little hair.
Hmm.
And maybe you can choose your own hairstyle today.
Really?
Yes.
Can I get a superhero haircut?
Let's ask the barber.
Dad, I don't want to go inside.
Why?
I am nervous.
It will be okay.
What if the barber is angry?
Barbers are friendly people.
What if he uses giant scissors?
Leo, they are normal scissors.
Dad, can we go home?
No, young man, we came all the way here.
Okay.
Hello. Welcome to Smart Cut Salon.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, who is this young boy?
This is my son, Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too.
Would you like a cool haircut today?
Maybe.
He is a little scared of haircuts.
Oh, don't worry, Leo. I will be very gentle.
Really?
Of course.
This chair is very big.
Yes, it goes up and down too.
Whoa!
That scared you too?
A little.
Now, I will put this cape on you.
What is this called?
This is a barber cape. It keeps hair off your clothes.
Oh,
So, Leo, What kind of haircut do you want?
I don't know.
Show him some hairstyles.
This is a crew cut.
That is too short.
Okay. This is a side part hairstyle.
Nice.
And this is a fade haircut.
Wow, that looks cool.
I think the fade haircut will suit you.
Will I look like a superhero?
Maybe even cooler than a superhero.
Okay, I want that haircut. Ah! Cold water!
Sorry, Leo.
You are doing great.
Dad, is he cutting too much?
No, relax.
Now I will use the clippers.
Oh no.
Do not worry. Listen carefully.
Bzzz.
See, it is not scary.
It sounds like a bee.
Yes, a little. You are very brave, Leo.
Really?
Yes, some children cry during haircuts.
I almost cried too.
But you stayed strong.
Dad, can I get hair gel too?
Just a little.
Hair gel helps keep your hair in shape.
Cool.
All done.
Wow.
Look at you.
I look so different.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
You look very smart and handsome.
Can I show Mom?
Of course. How much is the haircut?
It is $12.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Barber.
You are welcome, Leo.
Dad?
Yes?
Maybe haircuts are not so scary.
I told you.
But next time, no giant scissors.